didn't damage anything, right?
No.
Cool.
No, it's no ink, that means.
Beautiful. There it is. Beautiful. She's down there. Okay. Let's put a chuck.
What about that one? Or would you wait for it there?
No. Hold it right there. Let me. Actually.
Know your role.
Huh. Can't reach it from here. This kind of situation we wish the air stops were working. Alrighty. Let's go my way. Hold on.
After they start rope down, they gotta move that way. So when they turn it, don't they
Okay. We'll drop it real quick. Let's get a chuck.
Hold on.
I got it.
Okay.
I got it. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna bring it down real quick.
Okay.
Nice and easy. What's up, supervisor? Okay. So far, so good.
Yep.
All right. We just gotta bring it up for a little bit more. And we'll move it forward up a little bit more. You know, the good thing about it is lifting it up as what we did, we noticed that it doesn't crinkle up anymore. We had to repair this frame, this side of the frame in the back, because every time we put it on the lift, it'll become like a little, you know, a little croissant or something. It would just, the doors would start to pinch against the fenders and stuff. And as you could tell, it's been going on for some time because so that was going on wherever he was taking it to get repaired before it came to us. Somebody just kept opening the doors and fixing this up and rubbing it out. So by the time we got into the frame, after we noticed that the floors were completely gone, we got into the frame area. When we got into this side was horrible. We had to just fix it. Every time we put it on the lift, you see it just crinkle, and so that was no good. I'm glad we did that. I'm glad we got it up and done here, because then that way we just lifted it up right now, and it evenly came up. Obviously, as you guys can see, that the tires are a little pigeon-toed, but that's not a problem because I still got to do the alignment here and put in my spacers and all that good stuff. So now that we got this here, we're gonna go ahead and start bringing in the motor mounts and starting to just get that engine in. You know, we're gonna hang it up in the air for a little bit. I gotta clean the bell housing to the trans. I gotta put on the flex plate along with its clutch and stuff. So, and then put on its ooh, so much sweat. Put on the bell housing, and then when I get that on there and drop it in, then we'll go from underneath and bring in the trans, because it's the world-class T5 in there. So we'll go ahead and show you that later.